Hi, my name is Matthew McHugh and you join us here today for Phase 2 of the Heritage Vets project. Previously you joined us for Phase 1 of the installation. This involved a lot of the structural works, including the knock-through of the metre-thick walls, the installations of the lintels and the subdivisions of the rooms. So a large part of Phase 2 has involved the design and installation of the fire, CCTV and security systems. Combined together, these form an integral part of the fire risk assessment, the building control requirements, and are necessary for us to receive our completion certificate. One of the unique challenges we faced in Phase 2 is the design and installation of an entire new plumbing system. This has included the waste which we've had to take from one side of the building to the other. One unique requirement for veterinary practices is that almost every room has to have its own sink, hot and cold water tap. As with any project, joinery forms one of the largest sections of the second fix. This includes the installation and construction of the cabinetry, of all the console rooms, the installation of door standards, frames and internal doors themselves. One particular challenge that we faced in this project has been the construction of the X-ray rooms and X-ray areas. We've had to comply with special building regulations in order to provide safety for the staff themselves and the patients. This includes the installation of safe boards, as well as receiving special consultation from outside parties. We look forward to showcasing Phase 3, which will involve the installation of the double glazed archway units, which allows us to comply with historic Scotland and all of the building regulations, as well as maintain the historic view of the building.